Okay, Shola here, and I'm just riding the emotional high, if you will, of attending this year's um, lecture by one of three Nobel Prize winners. One of them was the head of Google's quantum AI. And shout out to CERN, by the way. I saw someone whose mother worked on a huge project at CERN. So, anyway, the big idea is about how whatever you want to do, whether it's eventually win a Nobel Prize or acquire companies as a search fund founder or scale an AI startup, the whole idea is that the only way to have both big wins in your lifestyle and big wins in your career is to be radically passionate about delegation. And so the big question is, how do you delegate effectively? And one of the biggest ahas that I've realized is that you can delegate based on addition or attraction. So what does that look like? A lot of times we collectively are stuck on trying to maybe delegate things that maybe bring in business, right? But oftentimes you have to start with delegating the things that are actually sapping your energy. Let me say that again. A lot of times we want to delegate maybe revenue generating activities, but the idea is that oftentimes it's the small things that sap your energy. Example would be, have you ever stood on hold for 5 minutes trying to talk to someone about in customer service, right? It might only take 5 minutes, but it might take you 2 hours to recover your energy from spending 5 minutes. That's the sort of thing that you want to delegate. So the big idea here is to get radically passionate about understanding the set of questions you need to always be having in the back of your mind to figure out how to delegate tasks, because some tasks may not take a lot of time and they may not even cost a lot of money to delegate, but they sap a lot of your energy that could be used for big picture thinking or getting more business or doing things that rest and rejuvenate you outside of work. All right, this is Shola. Shout out to all the other lovers of physics who visited CERN. Take care and take action.